Alec Baldwin is taking legal action nearly 6 months after a New Mexico judge dismissed the actor's involuntary manslaughter trial in connection to the 2021 fatal shooting of Rust cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Baldwin has filed a civil lawsuit for malicious prosecution and civil rights violations per documents obtained by the Associated Press. The January 9th lawsuit, which was filed at the State District Court in Santa Fe, New Mexico, accuses Special Prosecutor Kari Morrissey, Santa Fe District Attorney Mary Carmack-Altwies, as well as investigators from the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office and the Santa Fe County Board of County Commissioners, of attempting to scapegoat Baldwin for the acts and omissions of others, regardless of the evidence or the law. The lawsuit accuses prosecutors and investigators of targeting Baldwin for professional or political gain, per Rolling Stone. It also argues that prosecutors violated his constitutional rights by improperly using the criminal process and were blinded by their desire to convict Alec Baldwin for all the wrong reasons and at any cost. According to the publication, Baldwin, who was also a producer on Rust, is seeking punitive damages to the fullest extent permitted by law. E! News has reached out to Baldwin's attorneys, Carmack-Altwies, the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office, and the Santa Fe County Board of County Commissioners, and has not heard back. Morrissey's office told E! News in a statement that she learned that Baldwin was considering a lawsuit more than a year ago. In October 2023, the prosecution team became aware that Mr. Baldwin intended to file a retaliatory civil lawsuit. We look forward to our day in court. In a statement to Entertainment Weekly, Baldwin's lawyers Luke Nickus and Alex Spiro addressed the lawsuit, writing, "Criminal prosecutions are supposed to be about the search for truth and justice, not to pursue personal or political gain or harass the innocent." Kari Morrissey and the other defendants violated that basic principle over and over and trampled on Alec Baldwin's rights. We bring this action to hold the defendants accountable for their misconduct and to prevent them from doing this to anyone else. Last July, Baldwin's manslaughter trial came to a shocking end when Judge Mary Marlowe Summer dismissed the case with prejudice after his team accused the prosecution of burying evidence. She said in the courtroom July 12th, "There is no way for the court to right this wrong. The sanction of dismissal is warranted in this case." The dismissal came after crime scene technician Marisa Popel testified in court that former Arizona police officer Troy Teskey had given her some ammunition following armorer Hannah Gutierrez Reed's trial that he believed was related to the Rust case. Gutierrez Reed was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter in March 2024 and sentenced to 18 months in prison. Popel testified that she logged the rounds under a separate case file, but denied claims from Baldwin's defense that she did so to hide it from the defense. Baldwin's team said they were never informed of the ammunition Teskey provided, saying in a motion filed on July 11th, the state affirmatively concealed evidence, potentially pointing to an external source of ammunition, Seth Kenney, because the evidence would be favorable to Baldwin. Baldwin was unaware of a risk that live ammunition had been brought to the set of Rust. On July 12th, Kenney affirmed that he was not responsible for the rounds, testifying at the time that there was never a question in my mind that I provided the live ammunition to Rust.